We had some cheek clenching movement in the market today, crazy volatility today, and just this whole entire past week or two, ever since we topped around the 17th of July. In this video, we're going to cover where we're at now, what I think's about to happen, as well as look at some of the main drivers, the macro driving charts for crypto, and a couple key things that I've been sharing in the Discord, in the market updates channel, in real time, keeping everybody updated throughout all this madness. We called the flush then rush. And it looks like we're at the precipice of getting that rush for Bitcoin. We're right at this trendline resistance now. So we had the scenario of a move down right to the 786 to then a move up to then break up to 120, 121, and then hopefully find our support there to then give us our next leg to the upside. There is that risk that if we get rejected here and we come back down, we break here, we could go a little bit lower. But in the Discord, I shared a ton of stuff today. You got to go in there, Discord, link in the bio, come check it out and go through all this. You can see the real-time action. We're laying it out. And there was a chart that I shared, the US NAS 100 against Bitcoin. And we're at this critical point where basically we have this downward sloping resistance that has spanned for the multi-year now. Like, let's see. We're talking 2024. No, even further, man. 2023. All the way back to when this bull market started, we saw the breakdown in this chart, meaning Bitcoin outperforming the US NAS 100. And every time we got rejected from here, it was the next big move up for Bitcoin. We're talking November to December 2024. And then back in March, when we had the tariff stuff going on, we had our grand reversal getting rejected off here. And then recently in July, we fell over, we saw Bitcoin go up, and we're converging because we got this support as well too. And we're at this point where there's either going to be a big break up or a big breakdown. And if you want to see the blow off top for Bitcoin and altcoins, you want to see this breakdown. And where could it come to? This zone right here, and this would be the blow off top. So this is basically how it works. This was the previous low, November 2017. We break down below here. This is January 2021. It's just a little bit lower, 30% down, the US NAS against Bitcoin, and that was the Bitcoin top. And then we have our move up. And then we really start the Bitcoin bull runs when we break down from this upward sloping support like that. This is the start of the bull run, and then we're at this low, which was the 2021 Bitcoin top. And if we repeat like we did with 2017 and 2021, now 2021, 2025, we need to see this roll over like this, and this will be our 2025 likely Bitcoin top. So we're at this point, the grand finale, in my opinion, and we're converging here. And this only takes we could keep going like this, but it's very unlikely. I believe we're going to see an imminent move. But if we just kind of kept going here, this takes us out to the 1st of September. So we're about a month away, folks, from the big action, and it's here. And looking at things like Bitcoin dominance and others dominance. So if you look here, others dominance finding nice support today at the same area where we found it last week and where we found it on the 15th of July. Bitcoin dominance getting rejected at a key level right now and now starting to come down. USDT dominance on the 12-hour chart here. You can see getting rejected at a key level, the 12-hour 50 moving average here. And if we can come down, break this downward sloping trend line like this is going to cause the next big breakdown in USDT dominance. And we could see the next move panning out here starting now over the next coming weeks. And this is all playing into each other. So what I believe is we had our flush today, and that's leading into our potential rush, where the next leg up for Bitcoin and especially altcoins is about to happen, especially looking at something like Ethereum, which is at 3,843. It's looking very strong. It's been strong. And we could be gearing up for the next leg up to around 4,400 to 5,000, even potentially 5,500 to $6,000. And I do have a target also around 7,400. But also there's targets up to 13,000 and potentially 25 grand for Ethereum. You got to go in the Discord, link in the bio, come down to these blow off top target videos and watch all those. We did these back in June when I was saying alt season could be imminently weeks away, maybe as long as a month away, but imminent. And I prioritize making a ton of those videos to keep you guys in the loop of what was about to come. And we're starting to see it. We saw it already with a bunch of these coins, but we haven't seen nothing yet. So go check all that out. Keep updated in the market update channel. This is going to be my last video. I mean, it's been a bit since I've done a video, but this will be my last video under the Stargate name. And also probably my last video for the next month, month and a half, 2 months. You know, I'm looking to lock in and capitalize and execute with the Stargate VIP members. So this will be the last video that I put out on YouTube, TikTok, etc. under the Stargate name. I do not know what the new name will be yet, but come join the Discord if you wanted to get updated with anything with the market as far as, you know, real-time Bitcoin movements, etc. I post that in the market update channel. But if you wanted access to the Stargate software, access to the calls that I'm doing in VIP, it's the last chance to get in on that as well too. Join the Discord, reach out to me, Robbie Ripple at Stargate. Just click there and send me a DM and I'll get you linked up with Steve at Stargate and we'll coordinate getting you in VIP ASAP before the next leg up goes. So that's where we're at. I mean, looking at the dominances, we're seeing the stars align for the next leg. Looking at others market cap, we had the flush right below that low, right over here, found support right on the 4-hour 200 moving average. And now we're seeing the rebound right now. And then looking at Bitcoin, we just need a breakthrough. We're very close to doing it. We need to see a little follow through and then we'll be good to go. So that's where we're at. I'll keep you guys updated in the market updates channel here and watch those blow off top target videos if you wanted to see kind of where we're at back in June, but also now where we're at now and where we could head to over the coming weeks to month here. So that's going to be it. I mean, there's nothing really else left to cover as far. I showed you the US NAS 100 against Bitcoin, etc. This is it, folks. It's time to lock in. So I'll see you guys in the Discord and I'll see you in VIP and eventually I'll see you in the next video.